In this series, we are learning DAX. So, till now, we have covered the intro to DAX, how Power BI processes the DAX calculations, measures and calculated columns, data types, operators, implicit versus explicit measures, and we have covered aggregate functions till now. So, if you are looking to learn DAX from scratch to advanced, then this playlist is for you, right? So here, this is a step-by-step detailed learning guide from scratch to advanced, and every function we are covering in a very short duration and in detail, right? Now the turn is for logical functions. So the logic, as the name is suggesting, logical function performs the conditional check. There is the condition. It checks the condition, and based on the output of that condition it makes decision and filters out our data on the basis of logic we have written, or the condition we have written inside the logical function. So these functions return boolean values, true or false, or it they return specific results based on the condition. So whatever the condition they are checking, they are outputting as true or false. Based on this true or false or condition value, they result in the filtered data, or the specific result based on this true or false. So this is how logical function works. uh, there is a list of the logical functions, or all these logical functions are these one. So we will be covering these logical functions, just like and operator, if statement, true and false condition, so not operator, or operator, switch statement. So whatever the functions, whatever the statements and operators we study inside the any of the programming language, we will cover those condition checks or the logics into this logical function. So these are basically the important ones. So you should focus on these every function we are going to discuss further.